Hi everyone, this is Ms. Forbes. I'm going to talk about what we are doing on Tuesday, January 19th. We are reviewing figurative language. So let me share my screen. And because we have already done this and studied this and done a lot of work on this, I'm going to quickly go through these and you would definitely be like, oh, I remember this. Well, I hope so. All right, figurative language is a phrase that does not mean what it says. Figurative language is used to make stories and writing sound more interesting and vivid. Let's go straight down to simile, the comparison of two unlike things using like or as. Every time we look for a simile, we're looking for the words like or as. So for example, shine like a diamond, you're as beautiful as the sun, you're as bright as the sun. Let's go down to metaphor. A metaphor is a direct comparison of two unlike things without using like or as. So you're looking for the words is, are. You're comparing two things and you're saying they are exactly this. So for example, you are my rose, you are the sun. Hyperbole is an extreme exaggeration. For example, it was 1,000 degrees outside. We know that if there was 1,000 degrees outside, we would not make it. So anything that is completely exaggerated, and we use these daily. When we're super emotional, we like to use these. I'm so hungry, I could eat a horse, or something like that. Something that we're not going to actually do, but we're over exaggerating. Let's go down to personification. Personification is giving human qualities or characteristics such as actions, feelings, or thoughts to non-human objects, ideas, or animals. So you're making anything that's not human, human, or giving it a person-like effect. So, for example, we have this cloud, and it says the sky was angry. The sky is not capable of showing emotions, but we understand when it says the sky is angry, we're thinking about thunder and a big storm, and we know, oh, it doesn't actually mean the sky is feeling angry. It's just we know that it's going to be a very scary night or a scary day when the sky is angry, because it's going to be very, very stormy. An idiom. An idiom is a word or phrase that has a different meaning than what the words say. So when pigs fly. So we know that pigs don't fly, but we use this generally when we're saying that will never happen. So if a kid says to me, can we have recess during reading? I'm going to say, oh, of course, when pigs fly, which means it's not actual pigs going to fly, but when the pigs do fly, that's when we're going to have recess during reading. So the words that we're saying when we have idioms are well-known phrases that are not meaning what we are really saying, okay? Alliteration, remember my little thing, a la 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 la, anything with the sound in the beginning of the word, it's going to be the same, it's going to be alliteration. So a type of sound device in which two or more nearby words have the same beginning sound. So cool cat, anything that has the same sound in the beginning of that word, and you will be able to definitely recognize those when you're reading. Onomatopoeia, okay? Words that imitate noises or actions, also known as sound words. So for example, zip, bam, bang. There's so many, and you will definitely be able to recognize those words. So onomatopoeia is any sounding words. The first word that comes to my head as an example would be bang. All right, and these are just a bunch of questions. Trying to find the one we're on. Let me just go to Schoology. Oh, no. Oh my gosh, this window's in my way. Okay, hold on. I'm so sorry. Let me pause this for a second. Okay. Gonna resume my share. Let's go to week of January 19th to the 22nd, Tuesday. And we're going to go to figurative language review. There we have a fill in the blank. and that will be directly off this video. So if you go back to this video, you'll be able to fill in these words. As I said, you've done a lot of practice with this, so it may take a while to get your brain working again and remember the stuff, but we definitely have covered this. And then I have a little reading image over here that we're doing in class. This is what it looks like on paper, but I understand some of you are not able to be here. And, where is it? That's what it looks like. Okay, and I put it on here, and you're going to tell me through this passage what type of figurative language, and I have the example right down here of what figurative language I want you to pick. So on this multiple choice, you're going to tell me which type of figurative language this example would be. And I've added the story just so you can have some context if you're confused. But yeah, there's some multiple choice on that. Tell me what you think. You can always go back to your notes. I will also add like a little cheat sheet on the day where you guys can check out just to kind of remind yourselves of what the figurative language types are and any examples that will help you. But I hope that helps. Let me know if you need some help. I will see you guys soon.